welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be a review on the ABH x Jackie Aina makeup palette. I ordered the ABH and Jackie Aina collaboration and it just came in the mail yesterday. It came in a package like this, and when I opened it up, this is what I saw. And I just had to share this with you guys because I was just like, dude, this is some bomb ass packaging, okay? And dude, it came with some foam, almost like memory foam on it to keep it very well protected. Let me just open this up for you guys. This is how it came in the mail. Very well protected with foam so it does not break. This is gorgeous. Look at that holographic shift on it. That is beautiful. I have to keep this packaging. I am a box hoarder, which is really bad because if there's cute packaging like Too Faced Born This Way, for instance, I keep it and I hoard it, and it just sits there, and I need to find a way to display it so it looks cute. But this is something that I don't think I don't really want to throw away the box. So I'm gonna open this carefully. That is gorgeous. So on the box, we have the holographic alligator print as well as on the packaging. It also has the holographic alligator print. However, on the box, it is more gold and more prominent. And on the palette, it's more of a shift. Love Jackie Aina. I have been following her for a few years now, and I just absolutely love her videos. And I am so happy that she has collabed with Anastasia, because I think the last person that collabed with them was Nicole Guerrero, right? Alyssa Edwards also, but as in like YouTubers that I follow, Nicole Guerrero was the last one I want to say that I've purchased that collabed with Anastasia, and I am super excited that they're collabing with another YouTuber. I am just like, I'm pumped. When I was looking online before I opened this up, I was like, you know what? I think I want to do something with the red. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with my Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer, and this is in the shade 05. So I had a few ideas of what I wanted to do. I either wanted to use Zam and Wiggley's as the main shades. If not, I would use Dola's as the main shade, as well as maybe Trust Issues. So those are the two ideas that I have for this video, but I'm definitely gonna create more looks with this palette because there's a lot of looks that I can do with this palette, which I'm really excited about. Zam is just calling out to me like too much. I think I have to use it. Like, it's just, it's I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with Supreme in the crease. Next, I'm gonna take the other end of the brush and apply Credit. I'm gonna switch over to a little bit more of a precise brush to do this blending, just because I feel like the Anastasia brush is a really good brush, but it's a little too fluffy for the type of blending I want to do right here. And I'm going to build up Credit a little bit more. I'm going to take my Benefit Boing Concealer once more and cut out the crease. And I'm going to use my Morphe M421 brush. I'm gonna start off with Wiggley's and go from there. Yeah, but I'm gonna apply this in the outer half just because I'm not 100% sure Yeah, no, I need a different brush. What is this called? Morphe M167 brush. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay. And now for the main attraction. We're gonna apply this not wet without spraying it first, see how it goes on, and then we're gonna go from there. But I am using a Sigma E55 brush. This is a really good flat shader brush. Oh. Okay, I'm definitely gonna take some spray. I feel like from the pan to my eyelid, it's a little bit more gold on the eyelid than it is in the pan, but damn. And I want this to just blend right into it. The only thing about this, I feel like the glitter is a little bit more chunky in this. Damn, that's gorgeous. I really want to take trust issues and apply that on the lid right over it. So I'm just gonna take a bit and see how this blends. This is also a bit chunky, so there is quite a bit of fallout on my cheeks, but okay, now to bring this bad boy home, I'm gonna go in with some credit, and I'm going to take a Morphe R33 brush and just apply that on the outer corner. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just clean up the bottom part as well as the outer edges. To enhance this look a little bit more, because I feel like it needs something brighter, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Heavy Metal liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy and just apply this in the crease. This is like a favorite of mine ever since I bought this. This is what I love to do with it. And maybe one day I should do an actual liner with this, but today it's cutting the crease. I'm going to take a bit of Soleil and apply that on the brow bone. I'm going to take my NYX Matte Ink Liner and apply this on my lid. I am shook. This looks so good. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my face and come back and give you guys the final verdict. Overall, I believe that these shadows blend out very smoothly. They don't get patchy. They apply very well. They're very pigmented, as well as they don't get kind of like what Subculture did, where they would blend together and oxidize or just do some weird funky thing where it just wasn't blending right. I absolutely adore the packaging. The pigmentation is just spot on. I love this. They did a really good job with this palette, and I have to say, Jackie, congratulations, you made a bomb-ass palette, and I am so happy that I have this in my collection. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button to see more reviews like this one, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.